I think what we're really looking to drive now is flexibility. And we always hear the term agile or pivot, but you need to be an organization that can pick up and change, whether that's change strategic direction or even just change the way that you work at a click of a finger. And I think, for me, for example, this morning, sitting in the car park on my laptop, checking my emails, doing some work. Before the curtains open up, I'm on my phone. I'm able to still work. My office is wherever I am. And I think that's only created from an organization that thinks about how people should work in the future. So I think there's going to be a lot of change around how we become more agile, more flexible, and it's bringing in the technology that allows us to do that, how we can engage with people differently, because it's not always going to be as good as face-to-face as much as we always want that. And with people working remote and people working in different locations, your office is wherever you are. So how are you going to engage with customers, with colleagues? It's not always going to be through Zoom as much as we don't like it. It could be through holograms or whatever else in the future. But how do you start building that capacity and that capability early is extremely important.